Welcome to another episode of Legal and Business Talk by Emirates Advocates and Legal Consultants. Today's topic is the one that affects every business, whether it's a startup or an established company. Essential points to remember while sending or accepting payments in business transactions. Let's make sure your money moves safely, legally, and smartly. When it comes to payments, there's much more to consider than just sending or receiving funds. Here are some key elements to clarify before any transaction. What are the agreed payment terms? Upfront, milestone-based, or post-delivery? What's the currency of the payment? Are there any tax implications like VAT? And most importantly, are these terms written and signed in a legal agreement? Verbal agreements or unclear invoices are the most common reason for disputes. What are the common pitfalls to avoid? Let's go over some real-world mistakes we've seen businesses make. Making large payments without a signed contract, accepting post-dated checks without legal backing, relying solely on WhatsApp or email confirmations without formal documentation, not verifying the bank account details or ownership of the recipient company, especially when dealing with international partners. To keep your business safe, here are some practices. Always sign a clear contract outlining payment timelines, currency, and refund terms. Confirm that the recipient is a registered business with a valid trade license. Use traceable payment methods, avoid cash payments unless absolutely necessary. Send and receive official invoices, do not transact based on informal messages. And do not forget to keep all documentation with you if things go wrong. Before you send or receive any payment, especially large sums, have your agreement reviewed by a legal consultant. Make sure there are proper payment clauses, including penalties for late payments and steps to follow if either party defaults. What to do if a payment goes wrong? If you've made a payment and haven't received what was promised, or you're not getting paid after delivering a service, do not panic and do not delay. Reach out to a legal advisor immediately. There are legal routes for covering payments in the UAE, including filing a case with the commercial court or pursuing check bounce cases if applicable. Before transferring or receiving any amounts, make sure your rights are protected. For business legal advice on business transactions and payment protection in the UAE, get in touch with Emirates Advocates and Legal Consultants.